Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem largest number formed from an array. So let us look at the problem statement. The problem statement says that we are given an array of string ARR of length n representing non-negative integers. Arrange them in a manner such that after concatenating them in order, it results in largest possible number. Since the result may be very long, return it as a string. So let us try to understand the problem statement with the help of an example. So this is the array which is given to us and the size of the array is 5 here. So our task is to arrange the elements of the array in such a way that the number obtained is the largest, right? So for instance, in this particular case, if we arrange the array elements in the order, whereas the first element is 9, the second element is 5, the third element is 3, 4, and the fourth element is 3, and the last element is 3, 0. If we arrange it in such a order, then the output or the resulting string which we will get after concatenating the elements is this, and this is the largest element, or this is the largest possible number which we can obtain. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us try to understand the solution of it. So in order to solve this problem, let us take the example which is given in the question. So here n is equals to 5 and the elements of the array are 3, and all the elements are given in a string format: 30, 34, 5 and 9. Okay, so these are the elements of the array. So what we are going to do is we are simply going to go ahead and sort this element. So after sorting the element of the array will look something like this, right? So 9 would be my first element, 5 would be my second element, 34 would be my third element, 3 will be my fourth element, and 30 will be my last element. So basically I am trying to sort the elements on the basis of MSB, most significant bit. Okay, so if we sort the array on the basis of most significant bit, the resultant array which we will get is a sorted array, or then we will get the array in this order, and then all we have to do is we have to go ahead and concatenate the elements of the array, and then we have to return our answer. Okay, so let us see how we will be able to sort the array in this particular order. Okay, so in Python we have something known as fun tool. So we will be relying on this fun tool in order to sort the elements in the order we want it to be. So what we are going to do is we will have this array with us. So let us say the array is given to us, which is in ARR, and this element or this array we are going to sort it. So let us sort this. We will sort it, and while sorting we are going to say that the way I want it to be sorted is fun tools dot cmp2 key. So this is a custom compare function which we are giving over here, and let us say the custom compare function is my compare. Okay, so this is the compare function which we want to use, and now let us define this compare function. So this is the compare function which we want to define. So let us define this. So this is def compare, and this takes two elements, x and y, let us say, right? So for example, in this particular case, x could be 3 and y could be, let's say, 9. Okay, so we took any two elements of the array. Now in order to sort it in the way we want it to be, what we can do is that there are two possible numbers which we can form from this, which is x plus y, right, and yx, which will be y plus x. So here essentially the number stored in xy is 39, and the number stored in yx is 93. Then what we are going to do is we are going to compare whether xy is greater or yx is greater. So if xy is greater than yx, then we are going to return 1. Otherwise, we are going to return -1. Okay. So returning 1 simply means that we wanted this element, or we wanted the array in this order, x greater than y or something like this. We wanted it to be in this order. Okay. If it is in this order already, so this condition, when we are evaluating it to true, if this is in this order already, then that is why we are returning 1. If this order is not preserved, then we are returning -1. Okay. And this is how the compare function will look like. And once we have compared it, so once we have implemented our compare function, the array will be sorted. So let us take the same example. So here array is 3, 30, 34, 5 and 9. After calling the sort function with the custom sort compare function, the array will be sorted in this order. Okay, so the elements of the array will be 30, 3, 34, 5 and 9. Okay, so these will be the elements, and what we are going to do is we are going to read it backwards. Okay, and then what we are going to do is answer will be our empty string, and then this answer will be equals to answer plus arr I. Okay, and I will start from length of the string, so n-1, and it will go all the way till 0 on the step of -1. Okay, so let's see what will happen here. So answer will be equals to, so the first element will be 9, the second will be 5, the third will be 34, then 3, and then 3, 0. Okay, and this is what we need to return. Okay, so that's about the explanation, folks. Now let us see how we will be able to code it. So the code is pretty much the same we have seen in our explanation, which is the first thing which we are going to do is we are going to sort this array. Okay, so we are sorting it, and the custom function which we are using is compare, and the compare is something compare looks something like this. So xy is equals to x plus y, yx is equals to y plus x. Now if xy is greater than yx, then we are returning 1, otherwise we are returning -1. Because of this, the array will be sorted, and once we have the array sorted with us, then let's start with answer equals to an empty string, and then we are iterating from n-1 all the way till 0 on a step of -1, and I am concatenating the values there, and then towards the end I am returning that answer. So that's about the code, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our solution got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.